You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. Raigad District, Odisha. A new CT scan machine was installed at Raigad DHH, inaugurated by District Collector Mr. Manoj Satyaban Mahajan as the chief guest. The people of Raigad district are proud and contented in favor of such expansion. Raigad CDMO Mr. Lal Mohan Rotre, ADMO Mr. BK Mishra, State Head of Spandan Diagnostic Center Private Limited, SDPL, Mr. Satya Sundar Bosa, Pulmonologist Dr. D.K. Deo, Orthopedist Dr. Ranjan Sahu, Hospital Manager Mr. Soumya Ranjan Sahu, were also prominently attended there.
Can I have your name and introduction, please?
I am Dr. D.K. Dev, pulmonologist of DHH Raigada.
Raigada district residents now have access to privileges of CT scan facilities at DHH Raigada, making it more convenient to diagnosis. What are your thoughts on this improvement in healthcare services?
Now CT scan is no longer a privilege, it's a basic necessity for diagnosing lot of diseases. It was not there in Raigada till now, but with the advent of this machine, I think lot of cases which we are not able to diagnose in Raigada, we were referring the cases to higher centers. Those can be diagnosed in Raigada.
So, in near future, is there any chances of installing an MRI machine? It's also necessary because several people are using to go out of district. Whether it's Koraput or Visakhapatnam.
In Koraput also there is no MRI. Maybe with the, I am not sure of the facts, but maybe with the new trauma center, we may have an MRI machine also. There will be another CT machine in the trauma center and maybe there will be a MRI.
So I am thinking only CT scan is sufficient for MRI also needed.
In some cases, CT will go a long way in helping the patients, but in some cases MRI is needed. Where soft tissue injuries are there, we need an MRI for spine, soft tissue injuries, joints and all.
So being a physician, what the small message we want to give the people, but they will not go to Visakhapatnam because this is a new one.
No. This is only one of the modalities of diagnosis which will help in diagnosing cases. People will not be able to, will not need to go outside, that cannot be said, but it will reduce to a great extent.
I am Satya Sundar Bosa, State Head, Spandan Diagnostic Center Private Limited. This is our, this CT scan is 17th installation in Odisha. More 7 CT scan has to be installed in Odisha on PPP mode with Government of Odisha Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Odisha. So, as a state head, being a state head of Spandan Diagnostic Center, I am always trying to install the machine very quickly and as soon as patient will get the benefit of this.
Other staffs of DHH Center in charge Mrs. Nikita Satpathy, technicians of X-ray and CT scan Mr. Sanjeet Raut, Mr. Partho Sarathi Bari, Ms. Gayatri Kumari Sahu, Mr. Sisir Kumar Setay were also in attendance there. The DHH Raigad will offer CT scan services through a public-private partnership with the Odisha government and SDPL. Free diagnostic services include contrast media tracking, angiography, and 24/7 availability. Urgent head injury reports will be ready within 2 hours, with hard copies available. Mr. Manoj Mishra, editor of Sigma Media Lab English, prepared the report.